Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about Dreamina AI. I'm going to teach you the ropes on this one, how to use it, how to get started. So the first thing I want to do right here is go to Google. And basically on Google, type in here Dreamina AI. This one right here. Now you're going to get two results. The one for the sponsored and the one for this one with the logo. It's like a galaxy. I suggest going on this one and not the sponsored one. So once you click on that one right there, you're gonna see this landing page. The first thing we're gonna do right now is click on sign in. So once you sign in, basically you're gonna save your results, save your gallery, save the things you're doing. So I'm gonna click on sign in right here, like so. I'm gonna click on sign up also. I'm just gonna continue with Google. I'm using my dummy Google account anyways. So just use your dummy Google account as well to test the waters. And in here, it's gonna ask you what's the role best describes you. I'm gonna go for this one, a other. So it will definitely tailor fit your experience on this one. So the first thing I want you to let you know that is this is gonna be a paid plan. However, it offers a free trial. So in here, I have 750 credits that will expire within 24 hours, meaning 750 credits would be refreshed every 72. Sorry about that. Every 24 hours. Alright? If you don't have any more credits, you need to have upgraded. And these are going to be the plans. These are the prices for yearly. You're seeing a lot because it's going to be on Philippine peso. But if I convert this one, for example, yearly, for the basic plan of 8,113, that would be only around, give or take, $70. And this is the monthly. So basic is $20. Standard is 40 and advanced is around, I think, 80, 70, something like that. And this is the monthly and this is the yearly. Alright? That being said, let's try and creating one. On the left side, there is going to be Explore, Profile, Assets, Image Generator, Canvas, and Video Generator. Newest feature is going to be the lip sync. So I'm going to click on Generate right now. So what can we find here? So you're going to see right here, I already have created some samples in Dreamina using some prompts. And these are going to be the sample prompts, sample images I have. This one's right here. So on the left side, just enter the prompt you want. You can also use a reference image or a text on this one. Now, once you enter the text, enter model, the resolution, dimensions, and the size. Now, I have a tip for you. I'm going to use ChatGPT to give me some awesome prompts. Alright? So let's try this one. I am using, let me just type in here, I am using Dreamina AI. So the key here is be specific. And for this one, please give me prompts, alright, to better get good results. Here is the output. Let me just type in here is the output I want. So by the way, guys, you don't really have to follow everything I type here. You can just get the idea and type whatever you want there. So here's the output I want. A beautiful young warrior woman in Mars. I'm just gonna type that one. Click on enter and wait for the magic to happen. Now this is gonna be the prompt. You have epic realism. Depending on the model, you have fantasy-infused sci-fi. You have Ghibli-inspired Mars, cyberpunk, elegant. I think I'm gonna go for this one. I like the Ghibli. Now I'm gonna go back now on Dreamina. And basically for this one, it will now have my prompt. I saw something in ChatGPT. So prompt add-ons for better quality. These are gonna be the metrics for lighting, style, camera, and mood. Alright? I can just basically add heroic here. Heroic young warrior, woman on Mars, Ghibli anime style. And now if I want to add a reference image, I'm going to simply click on this button right here and look for desktop right there. And I have a reference image. And by the way, I got this one from Pixabay. That's why it's going to be royalty free. Now I can just click on human face because we're only targeting the human face. Click on save and that's what we have there. Now for the model, I'm going to use this ones right here, image 3.0. The newest one right there. And of course, I'm just going to use first standard. Aspect ratio, I'm going to go for this one. Let's go for 16:9. size right there, and basically click on generate. And now 24 credits has been deducted on my original 1500 right there, and I'll get back to you once it's here. Alright, so welcome back to the video. I have made another samples that I took from ChatGPT, by the way. I used this one, the action scene, and the cyberpunk. And well, let's check the Ghibli first, the one we made, and this is what we have. Now I want to highlight the consistency of the image right here. As you can see right there, they're very consistent. Now in here you can generate the video or edit more in Canva for this, but those are going to be for separate videos. You can upscale, retouch, inpaint, remove, and expand. Now just for discussion purposes, what do you mean by expand? If I click expand right here, I can type some more there, but I'm going to retain as it is. For example, I can add here a moon, something like that, but I'm just going to remain as it is just to expand the image. And then I'll get back to you once these are done, but focus now on the next ones. So this is the cyberpunk we have right here. It's pretty awesome. And the consistency is going to be right there. As you can see, the reference image we use really give out some help. And now let's check on the last one. This is going to be a warrior, if I'm not mistaken. As you can see right here, it's just like Star Wars, right? It's pretty awesome. Now it's a bit slow since they're really good quality. And that's what we have here. Now, giving back here, this is going to be the expanded version of earlier. As you can see right there, it's now expanded to a much more realistic, much more wide environment. Not just the one from earlier. Right now, going back on the landing page, let's talk about the video generator. Now, if I click on this, it will just take me back on the landing page of the editing platform. So I just used this one as a generated video. The image prompt we have is going to be this one. So basically add your prompt, add the image reference, choose a model, duration, and generate. And this is what we have. Let me just click this and pause. Let me try looking for full screen if we have, but I think we do not. And with that being said, if I play right here, this is how it should look like. It's a video generator tool for free inside Dreamina. You can choose by clicking this one to HD, upgrade it, and add some audio. You can also regenerate this one. That will consume 315 credits if you're not satisfied for it. But for now, it made my image move, so I'm good with it. Now speaking about lip sync right here, this cost me around 700. As you can see, I only have limited credits. So I changed my profile and used this one. So for AI avatar, I just enabled and added a photo that I got from Pixelbay. Choose the fast because this is cheaper. Add a text, or you can upload your audio right there. But for now, I only added a text. Now choose an audio right here, and it will now generate. And now let's try listening it to this one.
Morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
And that's it. Really awesome, right? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.